In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join a community of creators and start creating in Roblox. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to become a creator on Roblox, all you need to do is to go ahead and log into your account. And then once you are on your account, go to more options here. From this, scroll down until you see this option called Create. Now under Create, you can go ahead and get started here by downloading Roblox Studio when you click on Get Started. So for creators, you'll need this Roblox Studio. So I'll go ahead and download it. And here is the file. Go ahead and download it. And once you have downloaded it, go ahead and log into Roblox Studio to become a creator. You can also do the same on your computer by downloading Roblox Studio. However, sometimes, depending on your device, this Roblox might not be available for you. For my case, it is not available for my device. So if you can log into your Roblox Studio, you can go ahead and log in through a web browser. Once you are logged in, now you can go ahead and join a community of creators and start your creation journey. So that's how you can join a community of creators on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.